How to fix failed connection not working. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix failed connection not working. So to do that, what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then find failed. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is force close the app. You see when you open your failed app and you find that your connection is not working, you can just simply swipe it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it up again to completely close it from your multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next thing what you can do is toggle the airplane mode on. Just turn your airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it off to refresh your cellular data or Wi-Fi link. Now the next thing what you can do is reinstall the field. Just go to your existing field app on your device, tap and hold on it and then tap remove app to delete it from your device. Then go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then find field and then re-download it. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.